it's so fun to look around my home and see nice things. Did you know that nutritional yeast, this is really good for all your B vitamins. So if you don't want to lack in all your B vitamins, B6, B3, B2, B1, B12, have a tablespoon. Put it in your soup, on your salad, okay? And for the kids, and sometimes I'll squirt this on my, sometimes I'll squirt this black elderberry. It's for your immune system, right? Put it with the kids, whatever you can squeeze it into. Liquid stevia. I'm not the greatest fan of stevia. I think it does leave like this weird taste afterwards. Xylitol, or xylitol, I should say. Sorry. This is a really great sugar. It's very expensive. This costs about $17, which is crazy. So I'm very, very careful. There's also stevia with the sugary form. So, but it's just nice. This is really great for baking. You can get this at Whole Foods. And I'm not sure about Walmart. So, yeah. And then I'm growing little radishes here. They seem to really like it. Where is it? They really seem to like it in the water. I just leave it a little water in there and they do very well right here. Once I put things in dirt, they sometimes fall apart. But also, you know what's a really fun plant to get is a clover plant, because at night they all close up and they just go to sleep and they just know when to wake up even if they don't see the light. I took some cilantro and planted it in here for my rabbit. Same with carrots. This he already ate all that. And a nice little plant, aloe vera, so that if we get cuts, you just leave it in the window. And here's my husband's beautiful cacti that are going to kill us someday by falling into it. But they can't stay in the playroom because it's way too cold. So it's just fun. I cleared off this morning, took off the fancy tablecloth. And here's all my garbage from the party, chips that I'm glad to see that nobody's really eating them much. And lousy bread, all trash. Trash, trash, and more trash. So, but that's pretty much that, and my burritos that I buy for the kids still, and some raviolis that I buy for them, and tater tots, and these Jimmy Dean thingamajiggies, sausages, all trash. But the majority of things that are in there, I'm proud to say, are beautiful, because you got to slowly make that change if you're interested in getting with the program and being healthy. See, so I can put, you don't need a lot of protein as people think that we do need, but I do buy this coconut protein blend. I can put it in any recipe, my cookies, anything I want. Tahini is supposed to be excellent for your body. And I took out all my horrible syrups and soy sauces, although I do have some because the kids like it, but I'm trying to get them used to this new. This is a soy-free seasoning sauce. It's a soy sauce. It's 73% less salt. You don't want, it's non-GMO, no MSG. You want to stay away from soy. Bad news bears for the soy, because they change it. Okay. Oh, here's another one too. This is another all-purpose seasoning from soy protein, but it's all natural, because when things are GMO, that means they changed it, they modified it, they put some sort of other species in it, which is now not functioning the way that it should, or maybe even a bacteria. That is just despicable. You know why? Because the bacteria survived the bug spray, okay? And they needed something to help the soy not die from the bug spray. Who wants bug spray on their food? So that's why I keep my vinegar over here. You can spray everything under the sun. I clean my counters with it. And all the food especially. So this here is an antioxidant. Very good. And you want to get baking soda with baking powder with no aluminum. You know, it's a work in progress, And I'm trying, and we use a lot of coconut flour now, and cocoa. Oh, here's some more trash. You want to see some more trash? Lovely, bad, and lovely, bad. But those are on their way out one day. I can see that they're lasting longer in the house, which means that no one's eating them. You want to eat a lot of pecans and walnuts and seeds, and not tons of them because they are high in well, not high, but they add up. Okay, who can eat just a couple, right? In carbohydrates. They're not high in carbohydrates, but if you eat a lot, they will be. And so we eat tons of vegetables and vitamins galore. And what kind of vitamins do we take? Well, cod liver, wonderful for your brain. And I take this borage oil just to get a lot of the gluten out of my body. D3, I was told I'm supposed to take 5,000 units. Magnesium to relax the muscles so you don't get cramps. And vitamin B. Okay, so it is just fabulous. Oh, and ho ho ho, this here is Himalayan salt. It's pink. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep, it is. It has 84 trace minerals that are supposed to be in our soil but are not. They only replace 5, which is bad. So this they find in the mountains. Sea salt is great too. Don't use table salt, whatever you do, okay? If you want to get sick, have the table salt, okay? That's why they say salt is bad for you, because it is, but not sea salt. The Himalayan salt is better because it's not as polluted, where the ocean has oil spills and whatnot. So if you have gallbladder problems like I do, I buy this, it's a bile salt from Dr. Berg, who we love, and it helps to scrub away any of the stones that might be in there. This is a disgusting topic, but it's true, it's true. And then you can buy your coconut oil. I'm so excited. And I got another one in there. It's huge. And you want to eat fat, because fat don't make you fat. It's the sugar that makes you fat, people. It is not fat that makes you fat. It is sugar that makes you fat. All right, so let's cut out all that garbage, and slowly work on what is good and pleasing.